Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick Helper. Today I've got something special lined up just for you. It's time to unveil the latest and greatest working stat reset codes for Blox Fruits in 2024. But before that, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and check out other videos for more tutorials. So let's start. First, you need to click this gift icon at the left side of your screen. And now for our first code, it's none other than sub2 gamer robot underscore reset 1. So after you type this code, go hit that redeem button to reset the stat of your character. Next up, sub2 Uncle Kizaru. Make sure to redeem it before it expires. After redeeming it, type this. You can reset your stats when you redeem this. After redeeming this, go click the menu located at the left side corner of your screen and then click Stats. Now you will see here the refund or reset button to reset your stats. And there you have it. Make sure to stay tuned for more reset codes awaiting in the Blox Fruits world. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.